guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ngige Kabiru. As usual, I am doing a collabo. I'm so happy, excited. I'm trying to contain myself right now. Please introduce yourself.
Thank you. My name is Ngige, West B, and I'm excited to be on your channel for the first time.
Finally.
Yeah.
Finally, we've been planning this for ages.
Very true.
Yeah.
You're the host.
Let me just show you. This is what West does. He just paints on gomas, rubber shoes, everything. So we met on YouTube first. No, Facebook, whatever. Can't even remember.
I was the first one to DM you.
Yeah.
I saw your work on YouTube and then make a slide go on Facebook.
I can inbox. It's good you used very proper words. I don't really reply to people.
Oh! I was very formal actually.
Yeah, it was very formal.
Yeah.
So anyway, guys, I also went to his YouTube, saw his work, and thought this, guys, let me hold it well. This is what Kenyans need. We need to manufacture our own work, made in Kenya, by Kenyans, for Kenyans. So anyway, we've been planning for a collab for a long time, and then this time it actually happened. Finally.
Yeah.
Finally. So he's going to show us what he does, but before then I just wonder, like, can you tell us a bit about yourself? How did you start this? Was your rubber so finished, so faded that you needed to cover it?
Oh, thank you. I'm a student,
Yes.
doing a bachelor's degree in business administration, but my heart is in art.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm also a Christian. That is part of me. Yeah. So I mostly deal with fabric art, but I can also do canvas, DIY, customs.
DIY. You did it well.
Yeah.
High five. Like high five. DIY.
DIY. Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, generally I just love art, and it's a way of it's a therapy.
Relaxing. Yeah, it's a therapy.
Really
I know
relaxing.
people should try it.
Art is everything.
You start it, you never stop, and then it opens your mind. It makes you become so open to the world.
Yeah.
You do a lot of other crazy things. So let me just not go
And
there.
you appreciate every single bit. You see,
Yeah.
like the way God creates, and then you given the chance to not be like Him, but share the creation part of part
Yeah.
with Him.
Yeah.
It's really amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So you started this. You didn't start with us. So take us through how you got here.
Oh yeah. Before that, you asked me how I.
Yeah. How did you start?
Yeah, that thought slipped my mind.
Mhm.
Well, I came across a video on YouTube by
Mhm.
Wabosha. She did a video customizing batangomas.
Yeah.
That's where I first got the idea from. And since I was just from 6 and I was really free, why not? Started doing it.
Yeah.
I researched on the paints to use, because you can't just use any other paint for the fabric. You have to use fabric paint or acrylic paints. Yeah. The pairs.
How many pairs did you make before you gained some perfection?
I think I first bought my 2 pairs.
Yeah.
Those 2 pairs were just for practicing, because you see, with fabric art, it's very different from canvas or like paper art,
Yeah.
because fabric, they have
It
this
soaks in.
yeah
Yeah.
really hard,
Yeah.
and you have to know how to control the brushes. I've never used brushes before, so it took me like 2 pairs to perfect. Okay, not to perfect. Every day is a learning experience, and you can't
I
just
know.
yeah, you learn new things.
Yeah.
Because I remember at first, I used to put tape on
Yeah.
the sole
Yeah.
so that it can't spoil.
Yeah.
But nowadays I can even work without the tape.
The tape. Yeah. I know. So perfect, as in you have to practice.
Yeah.
It doesn't make perfect, and you just become better. Yeah.
Really.
So you how did you attain this? The rubber was black.
Yeah, it was initially black.
Mm-hmm.
It was a black van, an old van actually. So what happened? The client wanted a new look for the van. So this was a black van.
Mm-hmm.
What really happened is he first used a white coat, a vinyl matte crown coat. I don't know if we have another brand that manufactures vinyl matte.
Yeah.
It's the one they use
Crown.
on the walls.
Crown paint.
Crown paint.
You need to meet this guy. In
Yeah.
case you come by this channel, his channel, my channel,
Please.
please just meet him. Give him a whole container for free.
Thank you. Yeah, support local artists.
Exactly.
Yeah. So vinyl matte is actually used on walls,
Yes.
but it's more of a finisher.
Yeah.
It's used to prevent the paint from. I think it's more of a raincoat.
Yeah, you can do it outdoor. I do paint.
Yeah, you do. You actually
So-
understand what I'm saying. Yeah.
It is used on the outdoors. It is better even if it is rained on or watered. It doesn't peel off or come out. Yeah.
And it's easy to clean.
Yeah.
So you first use a white undercoat,
Yeah.
vinyl matte crown paint,
Mm-hmm.
and it will help you to use less paint when it comes to you doing the for instance the yellow paint.
Yeah.
So you first do with the white coat, and then now the yellow paint.
Mm-hmm. The yellow part.
Yeah, the yellow part, and then now you do your sketching with a pencil,
Yeah.
so that you can be able to know where your design will fall. Yeah. So that's
So the
basically it.
yellow and black is acrylic or is it still crown?
It's actually acrylic.
Yeah.
I think I can show them.
Yeah.
It's matte acrylic color. So you can use any acrylic paint, and you can also use fabric paint. Yeah. So I also do denim jackets.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the denim jackets, because you see denim has the same material. as
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
It's more of a jean kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So it's easier. And also, yeah, I've never tried a t-shirt, but the paints I use, the fabric paints, you can also use on t-shirts. Yeah.
So anyway, we are going to finish this for you to watch how he started from beginning to this place where it's gonna finish. Please go to his channel, and when they get there, they should do what?
They should subscribe, kindly subscribe.
Yeah, he's
My
using the
channel.
word kindly. He's not like Jerry.
Yeah.
Jerry's like subscribe. Him is like kindly
Kindly
subscribe to
subscribe,
his
yeah.
channel.
Yeah.
I think he's doing a great job. I think he should be like the gurus of the YouTube. So I need you to please go there and subscribe to his channel.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So he's gonna start this, and then at the end we will show you what comes out. Did you see? Like 3 lines, and I, yeah, somewhere.
Yeah.
You can tell the difference. Is it this or that? I think it's this. They are more thick.
Yeah.
They are more thick. Man, I need to. I can't.
But
do
you
this.
tried. You really tried for the first time.
I tried. But guys, what do you think about this? How much does the design go for?
For the
You have to be loud.
restoration. For the restoration.
Restoration is like if you have your old
If you-
canva
yeah.
or whatever rubber, then you bring.
Yeah, it's just 300 shillings.
Uh-huh. And then when it's a new one,
When it's a new one,
where you bought the shoe, did everything, then you're now selling
it's between 600 and 700.
600.
In between.
Guys, 600 and
So cheap.
700. Seriously?
Yeah,
Can you order for your whole family, even for the cousins that you haven't met yet?
yeah. And if you have an old shoe that you want to remake, just look for design.
He's
on
mine.
Pinterest, yeah.
He's mine. I told him these are my favorite shoes, so he has to do a good job.
Yeah, I'll do my best.
Yeah.
I'll give it my best. As I always do.
Yeah. So this is what I'm giving out for me. I know I want some black on it. I'm not so sure. I look for the design and send them. But anyway,
Yeah.
when he's delivering, we'll see that video, Cynthia, so that me and
I'll
you
see your reaction.
can give the marks on this. So guys, I hope this was a nice video. We were planning for me to be painting one as it paints the other, but you know me, I don't know what came into me, so I just decided I'm gonna watch for the first time. But the second time, I will
You'll try.
do
You'll
it.
have to. You'll
There's
have to.
nothing that is impossible.
Yeah, you'll have to.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
Mm,
Very, very easy.
very easy.
Yeah.
So guys, please go to his YouTube channel. Please say your name on YouTube.
West Ngige.
Yeah.
Simple as that.
That long name. But anyway, I'm going to leave his channel link on my description box, so you can just click the link and go to his channel, watch of more of this. He has done a lot of this, and not just watch, order, make an order.
Yeah.
So I think that's it. Until the next time, I'm gonna say bye.